In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to filter news events on MetaTrader 5. If you're looking to navigate the trading world with insightful news at your fingertips, you've come to the right place. Understanding how and when economic events might affect your trades can be a game changer, so that's precisely what we'll focus on today. First things first, it's essential to know why filtering news events is so important. When you enable this feature within MetaTrader 5, you gain the chance to stay updated on crucial economic announcements and insightful data releases. Such events could lead to fluctuations in the market, meaning that knowing when they're set to occur can significantly impact your trading decisions. So, let's dive straight into the process of filtering these events. To begin, you'll need to open MetaTrader 5. Once you're ready, your main focus should be directed towards the Toolbox section. This toolbox is usually located at the bottom of your screen. The toolbox is essentially a comprehensive suite within MetaTrader 5 that provides a multitude of services. From news and alerts to your trading history and mailbox, it's a handy hub for crucial information. Today, we'll specifically concentrate on the calendar aspect within your toolbox. After locating the toolbox, your next step is to click on the Calendar tab. This calendar is your gateway to market-moving events. It offers a daily, weekly, and monthly outlook on various economic events and indicators. This feature is fantastic because it provides a visual interpretation of what's upcoming. You'll quickly notice a list of events complete with dates and expected impacts on the market. With the calendar in view, anywhere on the screen, you will want to right-click with your mouse. This action will prompt a menu to appear. From this right-click menu, you'll have the opportunity to customize what types of events or indicators you wish to show. Depending on your trading strategy or the assets you're focusing on, you might want to tailor this information to best suit your needs. For instance, if you're more interested in currency pairs and how announcements could affect those, you can filter to show only the relevant economic events. On the other hand, should your interest align more with stocks or commodities, you have the option to adjust your view accordingly, ensuring you only receive notifications for pertinent data. This flexibility enables you to concentrate on what truly matters for your trades, reducing unnecessary noise and allowing you to be more strategic about your trading activities. And there you have it. With just a few clicks, you can tailor your MetaTrader 5 calendar to best suit your trading needs. Remember, understanding the news is a powerful tool for any trader. With the right setup, you can always be one step ahead, equipped with the insights that can shape your trading success. So go ahead, give these steps a try, and trade with confidence.